Pete, is it still holding up? What do you think? Are we still looking pretty solid next weekend?
I like the looks of it. Yeah, it looks good going into the weekend. There might be some issues at the tail end, maybe some thunder on Saturday, but yeah, we can always sort that out as we get closer. Drab Saturday, unfortunately. Plenty of clouds around. Not a whole lot in the way of showers, though. Superb Sunday, great beach day. The fourth forecast, there it is. Warm and dry for now. Our temperatures holding in the 50s, or 60s rather. Don't want to discount it. Southie is at 65. 64 in Milton, with the wind out of the south-southeast, which will be the same wind direction tomorrow. 64 back through Bellingham. We might get into the upper 50s in some spots, like 59 at the coolest. The dew points are down into the 50s, even upper 40s in Worcester, so the air is nice and dry. It's not staying that way tomorrow. You'll see the humidity increase, especially late day. This will be a slow creep, and then it drops off on Sunday. The drier air comes in, and then it's back up into the humidity for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then by Wednesday, I should say, it drops once again. So roller coaster ride with the humidity over the next few days. We do know that we're in the 80s starting Sunday and continuing all the way through Tuesday as well. So thunderstorms are popping up with this frontal boundary. It looks like that would be our fate for tomorrow, but instead I see this as just leftover showers first thing in the morning, and there's not much lift in the atmosphere, so we're not calling this a wet day. You can see how few showers are left by 5 o'clock in the morning. Most of those favor the Merrimack Valley, southern New Hampshire. And then in the afternoon, we start to actually try and bring out some sunshine, just a few whiskers of it. And here it is at 5 o'clock, right? Do you have to wait that long for it to come out? There might be some glimpses earlier, but I'm not making any promises here. And then it all sweeps away Saturday night, and that's the setup for Sunday, too. Any one spot has about a 40% chance of seeing a shower tomorrow through mid-morning. And after that, it's pretty much negligible. Late at night, there might be some thunder back across western Mass if you're heading there between 9 and 10 o'clock. But highs in the 70s solidly tomorrow, even out through the Cape are about 71 degrees. Glimpses of sun, too. We don't want to overstate the sunshine because I think it's more of a cloudy day. But Sunday, you can state it as much you want. It's 84 in Boston, 85 in Lynn. The winds are out of the west, so that's key to bring the warmth down to the beaches. So we should see that at all beaches, even Cape Cod in the low 80s. The Vineyard about 81 degrees. Thunder is looking a little bit more pronounced on Tuesday. This may be a first alert day if we keep seeing these trends because this could be a strong line of storms coming through in the afternoon. Stay weather aware on that day because those storms could get fierce and they're feeding off quite a bit of heat. Monday and Tuesday, the heat indices start rising back up to 90 plus. That's the caution category. You could see that in the orange, and then they drop on Wednesday owing to the drier air coming in too. Extended forecast now. You see on Tuesday the thunderstorms, and then Wednesday, and maybe one last gasp of thunderstorms before we go into the holiday weekend on Thursday. We'll have to see. But it does drop to 85 on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I mean, that's a nice forecast. Even late day storms on Sunday. We are back after the break.